stars in a clear night, and the cinnamon swell in a clear sky. Well, it's Gomez House sunset and cold hands in the strawberry bank drinks and guitar bands. Windermere lightning, Windermere lightning. Sounding like a train or a craft beer or a modern day twist. Is it cloudy or clear and looking like a rip in a single man's jeans with a memory littered with a million things now. Windermere lightning, Windermere lightning. Windermere lightning, Windermere lightning. Windermere lightning, Windermere lightning. Volatile nights are a magical sight when a promise joins you and I. And pendulum swings with its tick and tock things as the cedarwood embers fly, fly, fly.